Have you ever noticed your resin prints failing during the colder months?
Resin is incredibly sensitive to temperature, and when it gets too cold, the viscosity increases, leading to failed layers and messy prints. Today, we are looking at a dedicated heater designed to solve this common environmental challenge.
This mini heater is specifically engineered for LCD and DLP resin 3D printers.
It acts as a temperature controller and thermostat to ensure your resin stays at a consistent, ideal temperature throughout the duration of your print, regardless of the fluctuating temperature in your workshop or garage.
The unit functions as a localized heating thermostat.
By placing it inside or near your printer enclosure, it monitors and regulates the thermal output. This ensures the resin remains at its optimal flow state, allowing the UV light to cure each layer consistently without the interference of cold-induced thickening.
This device is ideal for users working in non-climate controlled environments.
If your printer is located in a basement or a garage where temperatures can drop unexpectedly, this heater provides the stability needed for long, complex prints that might otherwise be compromised by environmental shifts.
The primary benefit here is reliability.
By maintaining a constant temperature, you reduce the risk of print detachment and surface irregularities. This leads to more successful print runs, saving you time, resin, and the frustration of having to recalibrate your settings every time the weather changes. Before you commit to a purchase, you need to check your printer's internal dimensions. This heater is compact, but it must be placed where it does not interfere with the movement of the build plate or the Z-axis. Ensure you have enough clearance for the unit to function safely.
Installation is straightforward, but safety is paramount. Always ensure that the heating element is positioned away from sensitive electronics or flammable resin reservoirs.
It is a good practice to test the thermostat settings with an external thermometer to calibrate the unit to your specific needs before starting a long print.
Keep in mind that this is a specialized tool.
While it effectively manages heat, it is not a cure-all for all resin printing issues. If you are still experiencing print failures after installing it, you may need to look into other factors like exposure time settings or resin expiration dates. Ultimately, if you find yourself struggling with consistent resin flow due to ambient temperature drops, this controller is a logical addition to your workflow. It bridges the gap between professional climate-controlled labs and the typical home workshop, offering a simple way to stabilize your printing environment. For those interested in exploring this product further, you can find the detailed specifications and purchasing information on the website linked in the description. Evaluate your space and your current printing success rate to see if this thermostat is the missing piece in your 3D printing setup.